So what treatment is better than you thought? Do you have like individual treatments that came out better, the results, than what you thought?
Cellulite treatments. Cellulite and stretch marks.
I would say stretch marks. That was going to be, yeah.
But dimpling on the side, I've actually done it to myself, and it's uncannily amazing.
Improved.
And I've done it to so many others, and it's just, especially with now the integration of the microneedling with radio frequency, you see it right away. I call it the preview. The patient actually gets a preview of what they're going to look like in a few weeks, and it really, I've seen patients cry. It's like really, really amazing. Mm-hmm.
I think sometimes with the older clients too, you know you're going to bring their skin back to life. You know you're going to make it look vibrant, but you'll get those clients that it really takes some years off of them just because they're glowing, and so that's always exciting.
Mm-hmm.
To see that change, you know, it's really, you know, it makes you just enjoy what you do. So
Right.
yeah.
That's really awesome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one of the treatments that I actually got really surprised is somebody that had an issue with melasma for 20 years, and you know, as we know, melasma is a hormonal drive condition. So nothing that she's ever done worked, and surprisingly enough, a series of microneedle took care of that melasma, and I myself was surprised because I never really expected that to be completely gone.
How many, do you remember how many sessions it took?
6.
Wow, that's really great. Did you use anything else like in conjunction with it, the serums, or
She
just-
used the serums, but I make sure that she exfoliated on a daily, with an aggressive treatment. And that actually complemented the microneedle, and I was very surprised. She was absolutely happy, and that's another reason why she initially got the treatments for. She was about to be 45, and she said, I'm not ready for any plastic surgery, but this is a gift for me for my birthday, and I want to just refresh my skin. And surprisingly enough, not only did we remove some lines on her skin, but the melasma was a very surprising result, which I'm really glad and convinced that this is one of the most amazing treatments.
I think that with like creams and stuff too, you know, sometimes people think that's the cheaper route, but you're doing creams for 10, 15 years forever, not making as much progress. So you put a little bit of more money ahead, do the microneedling treatment, and the big picture of it, you're doing less time and better results.
people are wanting to be more natural, like doing things naturally. And to me, the MDPen is out of all the products and things I use, it's the most natural, because if you think about it, needling dates back for ever, and all it is wound. It's a wound that you're causing. Yeah, it's wonderful. And I have found personally that as I've been doing it for myself, I don't need Botox and stuff.
I was just gonna say, I'm seeing doctors' offices. Sometimes they like to complement it with Botox and saying the Botox will work better if they've prepped before and done the
It'll last
microneedling.
longer.
It does last
Or
already longer.
you're not even needing it, depending on how
Exactly. Yes.
where
The
you're at.
tenacity of their fillers, especially Sculptra, amazing. It makes it last literally for 2 years.
That's a really, really good point. That's a good thing.
Because
to-
Sculptra is already building up your collagen on the inside,
Right.
and now we're going to work topically from the outside to make that happen together. The results are really, really amazing.
that's really good.